Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn how to write a scalar-valued function. Then we will talk about how to write a function without parameter and with a parameter. So in this first video, we will learn about the basics of functions. In the last sub-series, we talked about the stored procedure. Now we will move into writing a SQL Server function. A scalar-valued function can return data to the caller. So we saw that stored procedure can also return data. Likewise, here function can return a data. If it returns a single entity of data, we will call that as a scalar-valued function. A caller can be a SQL script, or it can be a stored procedure, or it can be some other functions. Unlike stored procedure, a function can participate in select query. So when we go to the demo, that time we will see how a function is participating in the select query. In this sub-series, we will learn how to write scalar-valued functions. So in scalar-valued function, it can take input parameters, but that's optional anyhow, and return single value to the caller, say t. So the caller can make use of this return value, right? Single entity it will return. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.